don't want to ever be defined in one thing. I want to always just go wherever I feel like the energy is flowing, So I'm kind of doing that as well. And yeah. Hi guys, this is Pernia Qureshi and you are watching me on Zee Zest. I think I'm this like restless soul and I'm always wanting to do more. Even though I juggle things, I find that exciting. I enjoy it. I wouldn't have it any other way. I don't want to sit idle for a second also. I always want to be occupied. My mind is always racing anyway. So I enjoy doing like various things in life, and I think it brings out the best in me. So it's a life I really enjoy, and I don't see it as a burden or something that I have to juggle. I think it just happens very naturally. I've always had a problem with brands that look like other brands. If you're going to start something that's already in the market and that's already doing well, and there's enough of those kind of brands, why would you start a Me Too brand? Don't start something which already exists. Ask yourself that what gap am I filling? What am I giving to the consumer that the consumer already doesn't have? So you have to ask these questions and you have to make a brand that's relevant. Because if you're not adding something new, I don't understand why you're starting, because you're just going to get lost in this plethora of thousands of designers that are starting also, So have a clear vision, have a unique vision, have something unique to give, and be very focused and passionate about what you're doing. I think the most important thing is to firstly have a good, a realistic perception of your body type. I think, at least for girls, it's so strange. Most girls think they're a lot fatter than they actually are, and they're very mistaken about what they look like. I think it's important to get in front of the mirror, maybe take a measuring tape if necessary, just have a realistic view of what your body type is, because only once you know what your body is like, then you will know how to dress yourself. So I think that's a very important question to ask. Allow yourself to wear and enjoy what comes to you naturally, because the whole point of fashion is to express your personality and who you are, right? So I think don't worry about what everybody else loves and I don't worry about what people say. I think it's important to just go with what you love and what comes to you naturally. So I think knowing your body type and following your heart are two important things in fashion. Fashion trends. So I think loungewear and I think comfortable clothing is a really huge trend, because we've realized in the pandemic that everybody can work from home. And even when things are going to go back to normal, a lot of us don't have to really go back to office full time, So I think being comfortable and working from a comfortable environment allows your fashion to be a little more relaxed as well, which is really nice. So I think that's why loungewear is a huge trend, and I think will do very well in the future. It's still doing very well right now. Okay, so firstly, I think, how in the West, they always say that every girl needs a little black dress, an LBD. But I think in India, it's the opposite. I think every girl needs a little white dress, a LWD. Because in most cities in India, it's like summer throughout the year, So every girl needs a go-to beautiful white cotton dress. I'm wearing my go-to white organic cotton dress. I do think jeans are becoming obsolete now after the pandemic. Nobody wants to wear jeans anymore. I think you'd rather invest in, like, say, a beautiful skirt. You'd rather invest in some nice lounge wear that you can hang in. I think that's an important wardrobe staple. I think a white shirt goes a long way. Not a fitted one, but an easy fit white shirt. A classic sari, yeah. So there are a couple of things like this that are important. I think jutis are a great, you can wear them with Western clothes, Indian clothes, with everything. A pair of great jutis are important. So synthetic fabrics, bad fabrics are my biggest pet peeve in fashion. I just feel like, why are you selling people junk? Don't do that. Oh, that's hard. I love print too because it's fun. But if I had to choose, I'll choose textiles.